Automation and Job Displacement. Automation refers to the use of machines, robots, and artificial intelligence to perform tasks that were once done by human beings. It is one of the most significant changes happening in our modern world. Automation has improved efficiency, accuracy, and productivity across almost every sector, from manufacturing and agriculture to healthcare and banking. However, along with its many advantages, automation also brings serious concerns about job displacement, inequality, and the future of human work. To understand its impact, we must look at how automation is reshaping our economies, societies, and the very meaning of work. In simple terms, automation means machines taking over tasks that humans used to do. For example, in factories, robots can assemble cars faster and more precisely than people. In offices, computer programs can handle accounting or data analysis. Even in services, artificial intelligence can now respond to customer questions or recommend products. These changes save time and money for businesses, but they also reduce the need for human workers in many roles. Over time, this has caused a shift in the job market, where some types of work disappear while others are created in new industries. The most visible effect of automation is job displacement. When machines become more capable, companies replace human workers to cut costs and increase profits. For instance, self-checkout machines in supermarkets reduce the need for cashiers. Automated call systems reduce the demand for call center employees. In factories, robots have already replaced many assembly line workers. This trend raises an important question: what happens to the people whose jobs are taken by machines? Many of them struggle to find new employment because the new jobs often require technical skills they do not have. It is important to note that automation does not eliminate all jobs. Instead, it changes the nature of work. As routine and repetitive tasks are automated, new types of work emerge that involve managing, maintaining, or programming machines. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, or complex decision-making are also harder to automate. For example, while a robot can assemble a car, it cannot yet design a new one that connects emotionally with consumers. Therefore, society needs to adapt by developing education systems that prepare people for these new opportunities. However, the transition is not easy. The speed of automation often leaves workers and governments unprepared. In developing countries, where most people work in informal sectors like agriculture, street vending, or manual labor, automation can cause deep social and economic disruption. If machines start replacing low-skilled jobs, millions of people may find themselves unemployed without any safety net. This could widen the gap between the rich and the poor, as those with education and technical skills benefit from new opportunities while others fall further behind. Automation also changes how people think about their identity and purpose. For many individuals, work is not just a way to earn money but a source of dignity and belonging. When jobs disappear, people may feel excluded from society. This can lead to social unrest, frustration, and even political instability. The challenge for governments and communities is to ensure that technology benefits everyone, not just a few large corporations or wealthy individuals. One possible solution is lifelong learning. As the world changes, people must continue to learn new skills throughout their lives. Governments can invest in training programs, universities can offer flexible courses, and companies can help employees adapt to technological changes. For example, A worker who loses a job in a factory might be retrained to work in a renewable energy project or a digital service company. Such initiatives can reduce the negative impact of automation while helping society move toward a more balanced and sustainable economy. Another approach is to redesign social protection systems. If automation causes widespread unemployment, societies may need to think about new ideas like universal basic income, where every citizen receives a guaranteed amount of money to cover basic needs. While this concept is still debated, it reflects the need to rethink how wealth is distributed in a world where machines do much of the work. It is also essential to promote ethical automation. Businesses should adopt automation in a way that supports, rather than harms, society. For instance, companies can use robots to handle dangerous or exhausting tasks while keeping humans in roles that require creativity or empathy. Governments can create policies that encourage responsible innovation and require companies to support workers who lose their jobs due to automation. Automation is not only about technology, it is also about humanity. The choices we make now will shape the future of work and society. If used wisely, automation can free people from hard labor, reduce workplace injuries, and allow more time for creativity, education, and family. But if it is used only for profit, it can deepen inequality and destroy communities. The challenge is to balance efficiency with compassion, progress with fairness, and technology with human values. In conclusion, automation and job displacement are deeply connected issues that demand thoughtful action from all parts of society. Governments, businesses, educators, and individuals must work together to ensure that technological progress serves the greater good. By focusing on education, equality, and ethical innovation, we can build a future where machines empower people instead of replacing them. Automation is not the end of human work, it is the beginning of a new chapter that requires wisdom, cooperation, and vision. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about the relationship between technology, society, and the future of work, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps create more educational content that spreads awareness and understanding about the changes shaping our world.